Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use the Snap Score multiplier on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, in the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have spotlights where you can go and check out some videos that are on Snapchat. We have, of course, the stories, the camera, and of course, we have the chats and location. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and use the Snap Score multiplier on Snapchat. So, the first thing, of course, guys, that you need to do when you turn this on, so your score will increase to 2x. So basically, that is how much it will increase. Whether you send or receive snaps from other Snapchat Plus users. To turn on the Snapchat multiplier, you need to go view your profile, which you can do when you click on the top left corner, when you click on your profile. And then you need to go and click on the Snapchat Plus tab. And when you click on the Snapchat Plus tab, you just need to go and click on the turn the Snap Score multiplier on. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.